Greetings, class. We're going to talk real quickly about the paper components in the paper. I give a description in the syllabus, but thought I'd give you a couple of visual examples. So the first part, component number one, is where you're going to tell me, I plan to study blank, and I plan to use blank theories and sources to get those points across in my paper. And I want you to do it in a format that we call journal style, academic journal style. So what you're going to do is I put the list of how to organize it in the syllabus. Again, the paper component number one is going to be, this is what I plan to study, and your introduction. And your introduction is going to look something like this, in which you'll talk about the issue for a paragraph or two, in which you tell me your hypothesis. And in that, you'll sort of say, this is the issue, and this is how I'm going to look at the issue because it's this kind of a problem. So that is going to be paper component two. Paper component one. Paper component two is going to be just your reference section, bibliography section, works cited section, depends on the journal article about how you do it. And so again, like that. Lots of examples. All you have to do is go to the American Sociological Review or the American Journal of Sociology. Either way, it's fine to do it any one of those ways. Now the other sections, I'd like you to present some data. So first you're going to talk about your methods section, about this is how I did this. I went and I gathered information, and then I present that information. Okay. And then there's usually a discussion section where you say, okay, now that I've presented the information, right, here's the point that I'm making about that. I'm sure a lot of that came pretty quickly, but that's the goal. So paper one, this is what I'm going to study. I'm going to, make an introduction. Paper component two, due later, is your reference section. And those two you'll put together with the whole paper, again, 8 to 10 pages about a topic about racial, ethnic minorities, disability, poverty, sex and gender, orientation, any one of the things that we've studied so far and that you're going to look at. All right, so this is a short one, so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or that went by too fast, feel free to give me an email and I'll explain it more thoroughly.